Today I'm going to teach you how to draw rectangles and circles on a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you need to highlight specific areas, create visual markers, or add annotations to your documents. Let's jump right into it. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, navigate to the Recent Files section. From there, select the PDF file you want to work with, the one where you'll be adding your shapes. This opens your document and prepares it for editing. Now look over to the left toolbar. Here you'll find the Draw Freehand tool. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select Rectangle. This activates the rectangle drawing mode, allowing you to add rectangular shapes anywhere on your PDF. Before you start drawing, you'll want to customize the appearance of your rectangle. In the left toolbar, click on the color picker. This opens a palette where you can select your preferred color for the rectangle. Take your time choosing a color that works best for your document's purpose. Next, at the bottom of the color picker, you'll see the Change Line Thickness tool. Click on it to adjust how thick you want your rectangle's border to be. You'll see a slider that you can move from left to right. Dragging it left makes the line thinner, while moving it right increases the thickness. Adjust it until you're satisfied with how it looks. You're all set now. Go ahead and draw a rectangle on your PDF file by clicking and dragging on the document. Simply click where you want one corner to be, hold down your mouse, and drag to create the shape. Release when you've got the size you want. If you want to draw a circle instead, click on the Draw Freehand tool again. This time, select Circle from the options. Just like with the rectangle, you'll have full control over its appearance. In the left toolbar, click the color picker once more to select your preferred color for the circle. Choose whichever color suits your needs best for this particular shape. Again, at the bottom of the color picker, click on the Change Line Thickness tool. Use the slider to adjust the thickness of the circle's outline, moving it from left to right until it matches your desired appearance. Now you can draw a circle on your PDF file. Click on the document where you want the center of your circle to be, then drag outward to create the circle at your desired size. Finally, when you're finished adding all your shapes, head to the upper right corner and click the Save button. This ensures all your drawings are preserved in the PDF file. And there you have it, you've successfully added rectangles and circles to your PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.